The beautiful city of Chennai has been battered by torrential rainfall over the weekend, bringing back horrific memories of the 2015 deluge for residents. While there has been some respite with the skies clearing in the last 24 hours, the Met Department has warned that there's more rainfall coming Chennai's way this week.
A nightmare weekend for Chennaiites. Record rainfall meant unprecedented flooding on the streets of Chennai, and people stuck in their homes hoped and prayed that things don't get worse. Their prayers for now have been answered. After the storm came the calm, even if only a temporary one. With no rainfall on Sunday night and Monday, the focus shifted to rescue and rehabilitation.
Due to incessant rain in the city of Chennai alone, 1 lakh people have suffered and they are being provided relief materials, that is like bed sheets, food and medicine and shelter as well. At such a location in North Chennai, you could see currently the Chief Minister's over here. He is providing relief materials to the people who have been placed in the shelter. As we speak, the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, M.K. Stalin, is sharing food. He's actually serving food for them. Blankets are also being provided and also bread is being provided at this point at this location. Now the Chief Minister has also instructed his party cadres, that is DMK cadres, to help people as much as possible at this location. And North Chennai seems to be one of the locations that has been very badly affected because of Saturday night rain. And this is where the state government and various other officials are on the ground trying to help people.
Water levels slowly receded from low-lying areas as locals finally managed to get out of their homes.
At Velachery, where we're currently standing at, there has been barricading which has been done by the corporation. This was a measure to ensure that people are safe and don't go into the risky zone. We can see here that there is a groundwater canal work that is still underway and water is flowing via the channel. Last evening and yesterday morning we had seen heavy waterlogging in all these premises, but now water has receded.
Yeah, it's a very much worrying factor. Even yesterday night also when we slept, before going for sleep, I came out and seen what's outside and whether it's going to be horrible like last 2015 or so everybody is worried. Even now we are having experienced the earlier one. Now we are really trying to be safe on that.
But there are many parts of Chennai that are still drowning.
This location in Chennai called as T Nagar, water stagnation is prevalent, and not just that, in this long, huge street, you could see water stagnation up to a foot. Vehicles are finding it very difficult to ply at this point. Two-wheelers are struggling. Several two-wheelers we actually stop at midway itself. People, even after that, are plying to this because they have to go to work, they have to do essential services.
For the past 3 days, it's difficult for us to get the essential items like milk. And moreover, we have tried reaching to the government numbers, which are given 1007 and some few numbers. And I have sent in images and pics to the WhatsApp number also. But we did not receive any response from them.
While there's been some respite from the rain, weather experts have warned it's a temporary one, with a forecast for heavy rain on Tuesday.
Today we would have a good reduction in the rainfall, but that is only going to be a temporary phenomenon because tomorrow again we will start seeing an increase in rainfall. But in the coming days, possibly we are going to see the effect of the low pressure. So we would have long, sustained spell of rains rather than the more intense short duration spells.
The red alert remains in Chennai and other coastal regions for heavy rains. The state government is taking all steps to be prepared for the next spell. However, with the reservoirs running full, there is a fear of a deluge in Chennai is inevitable. A deluge in the coming days or weeks. With videos Divyan, Daniel and correspondent Akshayanath, Pramod Madhav for India Today.
Akshayanath is getting us more details on that story. She joins us from Chennai. Akshaya, you all have been reporting that there is in fact chances of rains once again, given that that's the prediction from the Met Department, though there are clearer skies now. Just to give us an idea about the kind of arrangements that the authorities have made preparing for the worst situation.
We're currently standing outside the Adambakam police station, and the police station has been temporarily closed after water flooding the premises of the police station. You can see here that the police station is located below the road level, and the entire entry point was flooded with water, and the water is being pumped out using a motor here. So this is the situation that we're seeing in Adambakam police station, and similarly there are multiple locations in and around Chennai city which are having similar scenarios where flooding is happening. The government officials have been telling not to panic, and all the efforts are being
So
put
I
into
will keep
place.
coming back to you for more on that story. Meanwhile, we're going across to some news which is just coming in. This is breaking news at this hour. Let's go straight to that.